Hello friends, Noah here and welcome to this 10th Kilowatt tutorial. Today we are doing the last part of our topic, family and relationships. Let's get started. As we have seen in our previous videos, Kisaka means family, and then we have Mbutwile, which means parent. Bambutwile means parent at plural forms. Ba is used to indicate the plural. We have Mwanuke, which means child. Banuke means children. We have Mukilenge, which means sir, and Bakelenge, which means sir, the plural form. We have Mukulumpe, which means elder or older man, and Bakulumpe, plural form of Mukulumpe, which means sir, all older men's, many older men. And then we have Mwanamukaji Mukulumpe, which means an older woman. And then we have Banabakaji Bakulumpe, which means older women. So we are going to revise. Mbutwile means parent. Bambutwile means parent at plural form. Mwanuke means child. Banuke means children. Mukilenge means sir. Bakilenge means sirs, plural form. Mukulumpe means elder or older man. Bakulumpe is the plural form of Mukulumpe, which means many older men. And then we have Mwanamukaji Mukulumpe, which means older woman, and Banabakaji Bakulumpe, which means older woman in the plural form. We are going to continue with the next set of words. We have Mulunda, which means friend. We have Kongulume, which means single man. We have Kungakaji, which means single woman. We have Songwalume, which means young man, and Songwakaji, which means young woman. We have Mwanetu, which means our brother or our sister. Banabetu, our brothers or our sisters. Mwanenu means your brother or your sister. Banabenu means your brothers or your sisters. Mwanabu means their brother, sister. Banababu means their brother or their sister. Let's review one more time. Mulunda means friend. Kungulume means single man. Kungakaj means single woman. Songwalume means young man. Songwakaj means young woman. Mwanet means our brother or our sister. Banabet means our brothers or our sisters. Mwanenu means your brother or your sister. Banabenu means your brothers or your sisters. Mwanabu means their brother or their sister. Banababu means their brothers or their sisters. Let's continue with the next set of words. We have Mukwetu, which means our comrade. Mukwenum, which means your comrade, and Mukwabu means their comrade. Mukwabu can also use to design the word order. For example, in the phrase Mulami wa muna muntu mukwabu, the guard saw another man. We are going to come back with some more examples concerning the word mukwabu in our future videos, but for now we are going to stay at only this example. So let's review one more time. Mukwetu means our comrades. Mukwenu means your comrades. Mukwabu means their comrades or comrade or friends. For example, the word mukwabu can also design order. For example, mulami or munamuntu mukwabu means the guard saw another man. Thanks guys, that's it for today. We are going to come back in the next video with a new topic and some more Kiluba. Please like and subscribe. You can also check my other social media profiles from the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye.